Hello, Abuti. Hello, Sisi.
Molo, Sisi.
Molo, Abuti.
Molweni, bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Ndiya.
Oh, we're learning how to say I go somewhere in isiXhosa. Sisi, how do we say I go to the hospital?
Ndiya esibhedlele.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When you say I go somewhere in isiXhosa, you start with Ndiya. And because you're going somewhere, the word changes a little bit. So isibhedlele becomes esibhedlele. Let's look at some more examples. Abuti, how do we say I go to the store?
Ndiya evenkileni.
And how do we say I go to school?
Ndiya esikolweni.
That's easy. And how do we say I go to church?
Ndiya ecaweni.
So isibhedlele changes to esibhedlele. And ivenkile changes to evenkileni. Isikolo changes to esikolweni. And icawa changes to ecaweni. You see how easy it is? And now you can say I go somewhere in isiXhosa.
Nisale kakuhle.